Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a chicken pot pie. So I hope you get to follow along and enjoy this video. Now to start off with our chicken pot pie, we're going to begin right up here. And I just want to start by making a curved line that goes up and down. Now, starting here, I'm going to make some little bumpy lines that are going to come right to about here. Then underneath here, I'm going to add some more little curved lines. And we're going to put some more little bumpy lines right underneath here. And just like the top, we'll stop right there. We'll add a little bumpy line here. Then we'll add a little curved line here. And we'll put two more little bumpy lines right here that kind of curve around. I'll add one more little curved line here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make just kind of like a wavy line. Then I'm going to draw kind of like a wavy line down here. And then I'm going to make a little straight line down here. I'll put another little kind of straight line down with a little curved line to here. Starting here, I'm going to add a little curved line in. And I'll make a little line that goes down and then in here. Starting here, I'm going to make kind of like a little bit of like a wavy line. And then I'm going to make it a little bit bumpy up here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go all the way up to here. Then I'm just going to kind of draw the same shape and outline down to here. I'm going to draw a little line to here and a little line to there. Now inside of here, I'm going to draw a couple little like circle shapes to make it look like there's some peas in here. Then I'll put some kind of like bigger rectangular square pieces in here to make it look like there is some chicken. Then I'll put some little kind of skinny rectangles to make it look like there are some pieces of carrots in here. Now, starting up here, I want to make a face. So I'm just going to add a circle for an eye and another circle for an eye over here. Make a little line across and a nice big smiley face shape. Add a little black dot inside each one for the pupil. A little sad face for the tongue. And a few little curved lines for some teeth. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little chicken pot pie. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.